In this video, I'm going to show you the clear pool filter apron. And this apron is designed for pool service professionals when they go to clean their filters. And a really nice thing about this apron is that it clips on over your head. So if you're wearing a hat, you can easily unclip it. And it also has an adjustable clip for the back. So cleaning out swimming pool filters is definitely a messy job. And this filter apron will definitely keep you clean in between your stops. So if you're doing 2 or 3 filters during the day, you're going to show up at your next stops looking clean with this apron. And I really like the fact that it's been sized for pool service. It has extra wide sides so that when the dirt splashes, it's not going to get on your clothes. I'm going to go ahead and clean this filter and show you the apron in action. It has these really large pockets in front. This is great for the spring barrel nuts or any other filter parts. And the nice thing about using the filter apron is that you don't have to worry about any kind of dirt splashing on you. It protects you really well, so you can really clean the filters thoroughly without worrying about your clothes or uniform getting dirty, and so you're not going to show up at your next stop covered in mud. And it's also very water resistant. You don't have to worry about water splashing on the apron and soaking through to your clothes. And the clear pool filter apron also comes in blue. To order the apron, simply go to the description of the video and click on the link, or go to the website listed here. And when you're done, simply unclip the strap on the neck. There's no need to pull the apron over your head. And then you can simply unclip the apron from the back and remove it. See, it keeps you really clean. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.